Good morning. Hope you all are doing great. I already explained about the how to remove unwanted things like blemishes with the use of spot healing brush tool, which tool really use the AI of software like Photoshop. However, sometimes such kind of automatic brushes, automatic tools doesn't work. So that's why we need to use manual tools. So in today's tutorial, we are going to use healing brush tool, which is a part of spot healing brush tool. So like if you want to remove unwanted things like blemishes manually, then you can use that tool. This tool is really simple. There is a no rocket science for that. If you are new to Photoshop, then you can also use that tool and you can make your photos or your client photos amazing by just using that tool, by just moving unwanted things. So let's learn about the healing brush tool. Welcome to PIXIPACE. I am a professor of graphics. To select the healing brush tool, just right click on spot healing brush tool, then you will find healing brush tool and you can use the shortcut shift plus J. And one more thing I would like to suggest, you always used soft brush, because to make the skin more softer, I would suggest you to use soft brush tool. Then press Alt or Option and select the area which you want to use to remove the unwanted areas. Then paint over the areas which you want to remove. And no worries if there are so many areas you want to remove, you just need to select many areas, or you can select as many areas you want to select. You just need to press Alt or Option, then left key or then left mouse, then you can select as many areas you want to select and paint over the areas you want to remove. There is one more thing, spot healing brush. As you can see on my screen, there is a plus button which means the area selected to use, and the brush tool which you can see in a circle, it means that is the area which is going to remove or which we are going to remove. I like to make a black circle on that. Now I'm going to remove that one, and I already selected the area by just pressing the Alt or Option, and you can find in red circle. I'm going to remove that one. You can check the plus sign is only in red. The healing brush tool, the main benefit of healing brush tool is that it will select only that particular area. Like if you press anywhere, then it will only select that particular area. It will not move the selected areas, or it will not move that selected area which you want to use. So I hope you will find it very interesting too, as there are so many amazing features in that, and it's really simple. If you are not familiar with Adobe Photoshop, then you can use that tool to finalize your photos, to remove the blemishes, to remove the unwanted things in your photos. You can use that tool manually. Or if you want to use automatic tool, that is spot healing brush tool, then you need to just paint over the areas. It will automatically detect the areas like shadows, highlights, and it will automatically detect the great areas and replace the unwanted areas. So this is about today's tutorial. If you haven't watched spot healing brush tool, then you should watch that tutorial too, because in that tutorial I already explained everything about the healing brush tool, like all the features on that, layers, about different modes and different things I already explained in complete tutorial, that is spot healing brush tool. So I hope you like today's tutorial. If you really love this one, then please share and subscribe PIXIPACE YouTube channel, so that your friends or your native can also get a benefit from this channel.